It's phonics time with Uncle Sam, learning to read and write in a fun way. Remind me of the sound we looked at in our previous lesson. Good. We looked at the sound. Now, how about the action? Can you show me the action? Good job. Now, let's quickly go into today's story as we introduce our new sound. Sanka wants to learn how to sew, and so her auntie is teaching her. They sit together on the couch, and Sanka is shown how to sew. But Sanka isn't very careful. Ouch! Sanka loudly screams. She accidentally pricks her thumb with a needle. Ouch! Ouch! Do you know how to sew? And have you ever pricked yourself before? Tell me, how does it feel? It stings, right? Yes, and you shout, ow! And so in today's lesson, we are introducing the sound, ow, ow, like you've pricked yourself and you scream, ow, ow, and it's represented by these two letters, O and U, coming together and making the sound, ow, ow. Can we all say, ow, ow? And the action is lift your thumb like that and pretend to prick yourself with a needle. Ow, ow, ow. Good job. Today's song goes like, I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch. Good job. Now let's try and blend today's words and see if we can manage to read today's words. So what's our first word? Our first word is loud. 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 Number 2, out. Out. Shout. Number 3, out. 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 Ouch. 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 Good job. Now, let's look at today's sound pictures and see if we can hear today's sound. Okay, what do we have there? What's pouring out of that cup? Liquid. Liquid. Can you hear today's sound in liquid? Nope. Liquid. Liquid. Okay, that's a compass. And there's an arrow pointing at the bottom there. What direction is it pointing at? South. South. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word south? Yes. Where is it? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's in the middle. South. South. What's that? Mouth. Mouth. Can we hear today's sound in mouth? Yes. And where is it? It's also in the middle. Mouth. Mouth. What's that? A cloud. A cloud. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word cloud? Cloud? Yes. Where is it? Is it at the beginning, middle, or at the end? It's also in the middle. Cloud. Cloud. Good job. Quickly get your books and let's see if we can write the following sounds and words. Number 1, write the sound ku, ku, as in question. Ku. Number 2, write the sound ow, ow, as in out, ow. Number 3, write the word queen, queen. The queen is wearing a crown, queen. And the last word is loud, loud. These guys are so loud, loud. Good job. Thank you very much for watching. And remember to get your Jolly Phonics guide from Beyond Ourselves Zambia. First thing you do is follow them on their Facebook page, Beyond Ourselves Zambia. Once you do that, you inbox them the code Uncle Sam sent me, and you'll be able to access this book at 10% discount. Thank you very much, and keep watching.